It's one thing to hear from a healthcare professional or the government that it's okay to take a vaccine, but I thought I would document how I felt when I was going through all the side effects when I took the Moderna vaccine. There will be no bias in this video. I just wanted to help people with their decision making in case they had any questions. If you have any questions that didn't get answered in this video, let me know in the comments below. So I just took the COVID vaccine and I'm not feeling too bad. I actually, I'm a little bit sore right here. It's been a few hours now, and I've noticed that my nose has started running, but that's some of the things that you should be expecting from vaccines like this. Day one, so far so good. So it is the day after taking the vaccine, and I am very tired, and I also have a lot of pain in my arm. It really starts hurting, especially when I lift it up at this level right here, and then above that, it's just really hard to lift it up without it being in a lot of pain. So I should probably be more active than I am because I've really just been doing online school and just hanging around at home. I guess the most active thing I've done is really go to work. So that's not really helping that much, but my nose is not running anymore. It still sounds like I'm really nasally right now, but I'm sure it'll get a lot better tomorrow. The next 2 days pretty much felt like I was recovering from being sick and my arm was a little bit sore, but there's really nothing else to say. 1 month has passed and I just got my second shot today. I don't know if you can tell, it's very late and I'm very tired. I also do have a bit of a stomach ache and some back pain. I don't know if that's because I had a long day or because of the vaccine. I also do have a little bit of soreness in my arm, the same shoulder that I got it in last time, but that's just normal stuff. I think tomorrow will be the day that really determines what the side effects are. It is the day after taking the second vaccine, and honestly today was pretty rough. Last night I couldn't get very much sleep, so today was kind of rough for the first little bit, especially since my back was really killing me today. I didn't have a stomach ache anymore, but dude, my arm is really sore. I had a bad headache for the first part of the day, probably for at least the first 3 hours. It was pretty bad. I had kind of a loss of appetite, so that's a little bit of a bummer, but I seem to be doing a lot better now. It's 2:00 p.m. as of recording this, just so you know, just so it kind of gives you a timestamp for the day when things could potentially get better. I don't know, it might not be the same for you, but that's just the way it is for me. I did take some acetaminophen to help with my headache, and I also did watch Netflix just to see if that would help, and it actually did help a lot. I'm not as sore, but my arm is still sore, but at least my lower back seems to be fine, and I don't seem to be getting as many symptoms right now. Similar to the first shot, I kind of felt like I was recovering from a cold for the next few days. One thing that I do have to point out is the second shot seems to be a lot worse than the first one in my opinion. I guess I just had a more difficult time recovering from it. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then you can hit the like button if you'd like to support the channel. You can also subscribe and check out the links that I linked in the description if you want to support me in those ways as well. Either way, thanks for watching, stay positive, and have a great day.